Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to discuss common hydraulic pump problems and how to solve them. As we know that pump is a very important component of the hydraulic system, which supplies the fluid at a higher pressure so that it will power the hydraulic system. For that reason, that important component should be in proper functioning and it should be perfectly working. And for that reason, the what problems it will associate during the operation and how those are to be solved. I'm going to discuss in this session. Here, hydraulic pumps are crucial components in a various machinery and systems, converting mechanical power into hydraulic energy. Hydraulic pumps play a vital role in powering from small hydraulic machines to heavy industrial equipments. However, like mechanical devices, they are susceptible to problems affecting their efficiency and performance. Here, all the mechanical devices which are where the moving parts are there, and those will there the wear and tear of the components will be taking place, and there the performance will be reduces and efficiency also reduces, and those their maintenance what is required in order to restore for full extent of its performance we have to carry out. In this session, the common hydraulic pump problems and the process of solving them are explained. The first one is that fluid contamination. One of the most prevalent issue with hydraulic pumps is fluid contamination. Contaminants such as dirt, debris, water, and air bubbles can compromise the performance and lifespan of the pump. Contaminated fluid can lead to increased wear and tear on pump components, reduced efficiency, and potential system failure. What is the solution for this? Regularly inspect the hydraulic fluid for signs of contamination. The best way is to send the fluid samples to the lab for the spectrometric analysis. Ensure that the fluid is clean and free from impurities. Use high quality filters and perform a routine maintenance, including fluid changes and filter replacements, as the manufacturer recommends that. Additionally, keep the hydraulic system sealed properly to prevent contamination entering. The contamination may be from the inside of the system and from the outside the system, and both should be avoided by preventing that hydraulic system in a well sealed manner. The next one, leakage. Hydraulic pump leaks can occur due to worn seals, damaged hoses, loose fittings, or cracked components. Leakage results in fluid loss and reduces system pressure and efficiency. Solution for this leakage: inspect the hydraulic system for any signs of leakage, such as puddles or a damp spots. Replace the worn seals, tighten the loose fittings, and repair or replace the damaged hoses and components promptly. Regularly check the hydraulic connections and fittings for tightness to prevent the leak. Here, the leakage may be identified: the external leakage by the bare eyes and internal leakage by testing we can get from that, and that should be inspected and maintained properly in order to reduce the leakage. The next third one is cavitation. Cavitation is a common issue characterized by the formation of air bubbles or vapor pockets within the hydraulic fluid due to low pressure. Wherever there is a low pressure, the vapor of that fluid will be formed, and these bubbles can collapse near the pump surface due to high pressure. When the at a low pressure, these bubbles are formed, and whenever goes to the pump, there the higher pressure will be there. There it will be collapses during that time, causing the damage to the pump components and reducing the efficiency. It will damage the that pump components. Also, it will reduce the cavitation. For that, the what solution we should have? To prevent cavitation, ensure hydraulic fluid is clean and properly filtered to remove any air bubbles, maintain the appropriate fluid levels and system pressure as recommended by the manufacturer. If cavitation occurs, identify and address the underlying cause, such as restriction in the inlet line or excessive pump speed. Next one, fourth, overheating. Overheating is the significant concern for hydraulic pumps and can result from the excessive friction and inadequate cooling or insufficient fluid levels. High temperatures can lead to premature wear of the pump components and seals, leading to the leaks and decreased system efficiency. The overheating is due to the friction or inadequate to the cooling of the system or insufficient fluid levels which are there. If the less fluid level is there, that also leads to overheat, and that will cause the some of the components to get the higher temperature, and those may get damage including the seals, and that will reduces the again some other difficulties, reduces efficiency by causing the some other difficulties. And for solution for this, monitor the operating temperature of the hydraulic system regularly, ensure proper lubrication and cooling of the pump by maintaining adequate fluid levels and using cooling systems such as fans or heat exchangers. Avoid overloading the pump or operating it at high speeds for extended periods, as this can contribute to the overheating. For the longer duration of the period, pump cannot be used. Then that level, cooling, all these things should be monitored in the system. Next, fifth one is noise and vibration. Unusual noises or vibration coming from the hydraulic pump can indicate underlying problems such as misalignment, worn bearings, or damaged components. For this solution, inspect, inspect the pump for any signs of wear or damage, including loose or misaligned components. Replace worn bearings and realign the pump as necessary to reduce noise and vibration. Additionally, ensure that the pump is properly mounted and supported to the minimize vibrations. The pump is to be mounted on the foundation properly, and also all the components which should be aligned with that rotation during the rotation, and also that worn out part should be removed. In order to remove or repair, something should be done for reducing the noise and the vibration. The last one is the loss of pressure. Loss of hydraulic pressure can occur due to various factors, including leaks, worn seals, or pump inefficiency. Reduced pressure can affect the performance and functionality of hydraulic systems. Here, it will not perform as the required function of the hydraulic system if the pressure is less, and that will reduces the efficiency also. And that's why the what is the solution to have the proper pressure in the system? That is, conduct a thorough inspection of the hydraulic system to identify the source of pressure loss, check for leaks, damaged seals, or worn components that may causing the pressure drop. Repair or replace the faulty parts and ensure that the pump is properly calibrated to maintain the required pressure levels. These are some of the common problems which are causing the non-functionality of the hydraulic system, and those are to be inspected, and their repair and maintenance is to be carried out properly. That will lead to the proper functioning of the system. And here, in conclusion, we can say hydraulic pumps are critical components in many industrial and mechanical applications, and encountering problems with them is inevitable. However, by understanding the common issues that can arise and implementing proactive maintenance and troubleshooting measures, it's possible to mitigate these problems effectively. Regular inspection, proper fluid management, and prompt repairs are essential for ensuring reliable performance and longevity of hydraulic pumps and systems. By addressing issues promptly and implementing preventive maintenance strategies, operators can minimize downtime and reduce repair costs and optimize the efficiency of the hydraulic equipment. Here, the properly recommended maintenance and the routine checkups are very important for the operation of the hydraulic system, and particularly concerned in this session the pump is to be maintained properly. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.